Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by signing into your Google account and opening Google Drive. This is where you act. First, audit sharing. Check shared with me, files you own, and any active link sharing. Identify sensitive folders and prioritize them for immediate action because minimizing exposure reduces risk. Once done, make a short list of items to change and open the sharing panel for the top priority folder so you can apply permissions consistently across related files. Next, change sharing and access settings for each prioritized item. You revoke link sharing and set folders to restricted so only specific people can open files. This prevents anonymous access. Remove collaborators you no longer need and downgrade permissions to viewer or commenter when editing isn't required. If a collaborator must keep edit rights, consider a temporary date to review later. Use Manage Access to audit third-party app permissions. Disconnect any app that doesn't need Drive files. Finally, lock down account-level security and verify changes. Enable two-step verification and confirm your recovery email and phone so unauthorized users can't regain access. Check Drive's activity log to confirm permission updates and to spot unexpected shares. If you accidentally removed a needed collaborator, restore access promptly. If syncing or permission propagation fails, pause backup and sync or Drive for desktop. Sign out and reauthorize the app. That fix clears stale.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.